Hello Beppu, my name is Brad Carr and I'm a professional nature photographer based here in the beautiful sacred landscape of Wales. Much of my work is focused around the north part of Wales in Eryri, Snowdonia, which I'm sure you are familiar with, having been introduced to Emiko's work here in this magical landscape. I'm drawn particularly to the trees. I have a deep affinity and place in my heart for these wise and sentient beings, and I can often be found roaming through the magical, ancient, twisted oak woodlands that are famed here in this beautiful landscape. I'm blessed to have had my work published recently in international magazines, most recently in the prestigious On Landscape magazine, where I wrote passionately about the art of learning to see again, which is something that picking up the camera has allowed me to do. Not only do I now see the physical three-dimensional world, but I can now gauge and see the kind of energetic and the spirit world that nature really has been my portal into. I love to tell deep stories with my pen of personal healing, transformation and transcendence. I had a particularly chaotic and turbulent childhood in which I moved around the country multiple times. Eventually I settled here in Wales and it has been home now for 24 years, and personally I can't ever see myself leaving on a permanent basis. This place has a special place in my heart, and I hope that one day you too will get to visit these lands and tread feet on these ancient sacred grounds for what would be a magnificent experience. If you do, then as part of my business, I teach photography and I run photo tours of Wales. So if you feel compelled to reach out, then please navigate to my website, for which there is a link down in the bio. Maybe you'd like to hire me, maybe you'd like to join me on a workshop or a tour where I can introduce you to some of these magnificent places and help you to see in a deeper way and to connect with the heart, to the spirit and soul of Mother Nature. I know in Japan you too have a deep reverence for the spirit of the natural world. I've been introduced recently to an artist called Tono Kasei who lives over in Japan and has work of nature on the walls of Buddhist temples, so I know that there is a special place in your heart also for this magical world in which we live. Please reach out, follow me on social media, follow my work, listen to my words, follow my story, and hopefully we'll share some of that reverence for this beautiful planet. Thank you.